What is going on, Busut people? My name is Lay Chris, or you can call me Chris. So, another day, another budol. Hi everyone! So today's video is, ayan, mag-unbox tayo na purchase natin sa Kuge Athletics. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Ayan, so na-unbox ko na siya. Ito yung part 2 na mag-unbox ako. I'm wearing the Kuge Athletic Timeless Cup. Ayan. So, ito naman yung kanilang, yes, ito yung kanilang tank top na athletic something. Ayan. So, ayan. So, for this one, ang tank top nila is nasa 950 and nag-restock sila ng available nilang color black. And I'm wearing the large size of this Kuge tank top. Ayan. Ayan o, tignan nyo guys. This is the Kuge Athletic tank top. Ayan. Diba? So, nasa 950 to guys. And look, ang ganda ng kanilang tela. And super gaan. Super lightweight talaga. Yun yung promise ni Kuge. Ayan. So, sana mag-restock naman sila nung black na may pink. Kasi yun talaga yung gusto ko. So guys, pwede itong pang run. Pwede itong pang trail run. Pwede pang pickleball. Lahat. Super nice. Ayan. Yung mga ibang colorway kasi sinuot ko na sa Cebu during Puma Run. And ang ganda. Ang dami kong pictures doon. So Kuge baka naman. Just kidding. Ayan. So ayan siya guys. Ito na siya lahat. Ayan. So sana mag-restock pa sila ng mga ibang colorway na tank top or singlet. Ayan. So yun lang. Gaya ng sinasabi ko, huwag magtipid, magsipag, enjoy shopping everyone. Bye! Thank you Kuge!